Okay, today we're going to go over graphing systems of inequalities. So a system of inequalities is two inequalities, and we're going to graph them on the same graph or coordinate plane. So the first inequality says y is less than 2x minus 4. So I'm going to start at the y-intercept, which is down here at negative 4. And it has a slope of 2, which is 2 over 1. So I'm going to rise 2 and run 1. This is less than, so it means it's going to be a dashed line. That means the boundary line is not included in the solution set. Less than, you're going to shade under the line. So I'm going to take a highlighter, I'm going to use pink and shade under the line. My next equation is y is greater than or equal to 1/2 x plus 2. So I'm going to start at positive 2, and that's a slope of 1/2. So I'm going to rise 1, run 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. Since it's greater than or equal to, I'm going to do a solid line. And in this case, it's greater than or equal to, so you can't see that, greater than or equal to, so I'm going to shade above the line. So I'm going to use green, shade above the line. And then with blue, I'm going to shade the area where the shading overlaps. So just these points right here would be included in the solution set. I'm not going to worry about the coloring part. It says, is 0, 3 a common solution? Well, 0, 3 would be right here, and that is not in the where the shading overlaps, so that would not be part of the solution set. Okay, we're going to skip to down here to number C, letter C. Let me erase this. So I'm just going to do two examples with you. So 3x minus 3y is less than 3. We're going to have to put this in slope-intercept form first. So I'm going to subtract the 3x, which gives me negative 3y is less than negative 3x plus 3. Now I'm going to have to divide everything by negative 3, which means I will have to reverse the inequality, or flip the inequality sign. So now it's going to become greater than, and then negative 3 divided by negative 3 would be just positive 1x. And this would be divided by negative 3 also. 3 divided by negative 3 is negative 1. So it just becomes y is greater than positive 1x, or just x, minus 1. That would start here at the negative 1 and then go up 1 over 1. It's going to be a dashed line. And then the shading would be above the line here. The second inequality is negative y is greater than x minus 5. So all I need to do is divide by the negative 1 because I need to get my y positive. So that's going to make it become y is less than, again I have to switch the sign, and then that would become negative x plus 5. Because a negative divided by a negative, negative 5 divided by negative 1 is positive 5. So I'm going to start at positive 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up here, and then go down 1 over 1. Again, this also is dashed. And then using a highlighter, I use green, and I'm going to shade under the line. So in blue, this area right here would be where the shading overlaps. That would be my solution set. So is 3, 1 a common solution? 3, 1, 2, 3-1 is not in the blue shaded area where the shading overlaps, so that would be a no also. And that is how you graph systems of inequalities. Hope this helps.